This is awesome that we get to be in the Blazer. This is unexpected.
The Blazer RS 2024. So it should be out in production, and we'll let Jeremy go ahead of us because the color is really cool.
Yeah.
Fun to watch. You love the Hummer?
No, I love this one.
Oh, the Blazer? Yeah.
I love this.
Next year they're coming out with an SS version, Super Sport, and that's supposed to have 557 horsepower and go 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds.
Yep. I heard rumors of a Lyric V is in the works, and I'm like, why was the SS delayed? Maybe because they're working on the V too.
I have no idea. We got a lot of GM people here today, so every once in a while they give us a little bit of information, which is nice.
Yep.
Because mostly we're just doing these ride things for them.
Cool.
So as far as 0 to 60, I'm not sure what this does, 0 to 60 in, but we're going to get up to 40 by that cone right there.
Okay.
Which is really nice. Here we go.
Woohoo! Wow.
So you can see it's like instant power to the wheels.
Yeah.
It's all-wheel drive.
Uh-huh.
So it's a lot of fun.
Oh, yeah.
It has the one-pedal driving system.
Yep.
Also, if you like that,
That's
a lot of
cool.
people that are familiar with electric vehicles.
How big's the battery in this thing? Do you know?
That I don't know.
Okay.
I wish they would have gave us a little cheat sheet
Yeah,
of information like that, but they did not.
I wonder, I believe it's supposed to be the same as the Lyric, 102
Probably.
kilowatt hour.
These, body
Same
types are
bodies.
very
Yeah.
similar, yeah.
Yeah.
It does have a brake paddle here on the steering wheel, which I love to use and demonstrate. So that way, since I live in Atlanta, something like that would be very helpful with the stop and go traffic. That way I don't have to constantly move my foot back and forth from the accelerator to the brake all the time. So it's got a regenerative braking system, so every time you put on the brakes, it's going to capture some of that energy.
Capture some energy,
yeah. All right,
okay,
that's the
cool.
ride.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one, you guys.
Might come back another time.